Morning, class 3. So, in literacy, this is the main heading, which is non-fiction. Yes, I know you all understand what non-fiction is. Very good. Non-fiction means real. So, non-fiction writing deals with real people, real places, real events. Non-fiction writing tells us, informs us, teaches us, and explains us. Well done, class 3. Yes. So, yesterday we had discussed all these text features of a non-fiction text, right? We spoke about contents, we know what is index, we know glossary, why labels are important, why captions are important, illustrations, pictures. We spoke about graphs as well. Remember, we spoke about bar graphs, maps, diagrams, charts. Yes? So, yesterday's quiz on the non-fiction text features was really successful, and I'm impressed that most of the children in the class are able to understand all these text features. Alright? Today's lesson, children, we will continue talking about cause and effect conjunctions. Cause means reason. Effect means the result. Okay? So a word which joins two sentences or two clauses. One clause talks about the cause, which is the reason, and the other clause talks about the result, the effect. Okay, and the word which joins these two clauses is known as cause and effect conjunctions. Okay, let's try to understand this with the following examples. Why is the kettle not working? Question is why? The answer will be the kettle is not working because the switch is not on. So what is the cause? The switch is not on. What is the result? The kettle is not working. Okay. So when I will say this statement, the kettle is not working because the switch is not on. So because is the cause and effect conjunction. The cause is the switch is not on, and the effect is the kettle is not working. So the reason, the result, and cause and effect conjunction. Alright? Okay? So in this example, children, the kettle is not working. That's one clause. The switch is not on. That's a different sentence or different clause. Okay? Now, let's try to think of the cause and the effect. So what do you think has happened first? The switch is not on, and that's why the kettle is not working, or the kettle is not working and that's why the switch is not on? What is the cause? Yes, the cause is the switch is not on, and because of which the kettle is not working. Okay, so this is the cause, this is the effect. That's the reason and that's the result. And what is the conjunction? The conjunction is because. Alright, and this is called as cause and effect conjunction. Okay, so let's write this sentence. The kettle is not working because the switch is not on. Do you understand this? Yes? These two clauses are joined together with this word, and this word is called cause and effect conjunction. Why is it so? Because see, it is joining two clauses. One clause is showing the cause and the other one is showing the result. One is showing the reason, as in what happened, why. The answer to the question, why. Why is the kettle not working? The answer is because the switch is not on. Alright, so you can write this sentence like this: the kettle is not working because the switch is not on, or you can also write it as like this, as the switch is not on, the kettle is not working. Alright, so as the switch is not on, the kettle is not working. Got it, children? Yes? So this is one of the example to find out the cause and the effect. Cause means the reason, effect means the result. Why are you drinking water?
Because I am thirsty.
So as Bhavya is thirsty, he is drinking water. There are two different clauses in this statement. What are they? Bhavya is thirsty, he is drinking water. What is the cause? Cause is that Bhavya is thirsty, and what is the result? He is drinking water. And what is the cause and effect conjunction here? It is as. As Bhavya is thirsty, he is drinking water. Okay? In this example, there are two sentences. Okay? Bhavya is drinking water, he is thirsty. Now if I ask you to join these two sentences and answer the question why. So if I ask you, why is Bhavya drinking water? So the answer will be, Bhavya is drinking water as he is thirsty or because he is thirsty. Because he is thirsty. Do you understand this? So which one is the cause and which one is the effect? So Bhavya is drinking water. What do you think? Is it the cause, reason, and he is thirsty is the result? Or because he is thirsty he is drinking water? Kya pehle hua? Is he drinking water first or is he thirsty first? Yes, he's thirsty first. So that's the cause. Okay? And what's the effect? What is the result? He's drinking water. Alright, so this is the result. Alright, cause and effect conjunction. Which is the cause and effect conjunction here? Bhavya is drinking water as he is thirsty. You can write because as well. Okay, so here we can write either as or because. Got it? Yes. So what is cause? The reason. Why did it happen? Why? And result is what? Okay, why is he drinking water? Because he is thirsty. So whenever you need to find the cause, you just have to ask a question to yourself, why? Okay? As it grew dark, the street light was on. So in this sentence, what is the cause? Yes, it grew dark. And what is the result? The effect? The street light was on. Okay, so the cause is the darkness, okay, and the result is the street light was on, and the cause and effect conjunction is as. The third example, there are two different sentences. It grew dark, the street light was on. Okay, now what is the cause here? What had happened first? The street light was on and then it grew dark, or when it grew dark the street light was on? Ask a question to yourself, why? Why was the street light on? Because it grew dark. So what is the cause? Children, remember, cause happens first and then there's a result. Okay, as a result of that. Okay, so what happened first? Yes, it grew dark first. Okay, that's the reason, or we can say it's the cause. And what's the result? The street light was on. So the effect or the result is the street light was on. And now if we join these two clauses or sentences together, we'll form a new sentence, and it could be like, as it grew, grew dark, the street light was on or turned on. Okay, so as it grew dark, the street light was on. What is the cause and effect conjunction? As. All right, you can write the same sentence in a different way. It could be like, the street light was on because it grew dark. Alright children, so I hope you have understood the cause and effect conjunctions by now. Yes, cause, whenever we find cause, we have to ask a question, why? Okay, so why was the street light on? Because it grew dark. Why was Bhavya drinking water? Because he was thirsty. Why did the electric kettle not work? Because there was no current, or the switch was not on. Okay, so I hope you have understood the cause and the effect conjunctions now. In this example, children, I want you to guess the cause and the effect, and then the cause and the effect conjunction as well. Okay, so as I turned the tap on, or the faucet on, the water started flowing. See? So what is the cause here? The water started flowing. Is this the cause? Or I turned the faucet on is the cause? Very good. The cause is I turned the faucet on, and the result is the water started flowing. Yes, and what is the conjunction here? What is the cause and effect conjunction? Very good. The cause and effect conjunction is as. As I turned the faucet on, the water started flowing. Very good.